Okay, here you go, brother. 2006 Big Dog Mastiff. Like we talked about on the phone, it does have a few minor scuff marks, but no scratches. It's kind of hard to see, kind of where there was a back seat, possibly. They use little suction cup back seats, but they're not down into the paint. A good buff job will get those out. I really can't find much of anything in the tank other than the little swirl marks that kind of show in the light there. But it's in very, very, very clean condition. Alright, so let's start her up. Here's your choke. Key. It does have compression releases. So to save your starter, make sure you compress both of those. Fires right up. It's got the LED turn signals already. Front and rear. Chrome and aluminum are in very good condition. Well, there you go. Let me know what you think. Give me a shout back.